Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by selecting the Mesh and Pressing tab to enter Edit mode. This makes geometry editable. Switch to Edge Select so you target edges directly, because deleting in Vertex or Face mode behaves differently. Once done, enable X-ray or move the viewport to reveal occluded edges. This prevents accidentally missing hidden geometry. Make sure you work on the correct object, and, if needed, duplicate the object first. This preserves a backup before you modify topology. Now you focus on selecting the exact edges to delete. Use Alt+click to pick an entire edge loop quickly, and Shift+click to include or exclude specific edges. This speeds the workflow. For bulk selection, drag box B or use circle C, and press Ctrl+L to select linked geometry if needed. Also inspect normals and adjacency, because deleting edges can create holes or non-manifold results. So you might need to merge vertices or clean up isolated vertices. To remove edges, press X and pick edge, or choose edge and faces if you want adjoining faces removed as well. The choice matters because it changes topology. Once deleted, fill gaps with F for a single face or grid fill for complex holes. Merge any stray vertices with Alt+M to maintain clean topology. If something goes wrong, select non-manifold geometry and use mesh cleanup tools to dissolve doubles or recalibrate normals. This fixes most post-delete artifacts and preserves a usable mesh.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.